At a time when the pollution crisis haunts the entire world, India observes the National Pollution Control Day today. This day is observed in the memory of people who lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy. It was a gas tragedy in which a poisonous chemical, methyl isocyanate, and some other chemicals were released from a pesticide plant, Union Carbide India Limited, in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh on the night of 2nd-3rd December 1984. More than 5 lakh people were exposed to the poisonous gas. Around 2,259 died immediately, and later Madhya Pradesh government declared that around 25,000 people died. In the history worldwide, it was identified as the biggest industrial disaster. There are several factors that are responsible for causing pollution, like the bursting of crackers, vehicles running on roads, bomb blasts, leakage of gases via industries, etc. Nowadays, the problem of pollution is increasing day by day, and it is a duty of the respective government and also people to reduce the level of pollution. This day is observed to spread awareness on managing and controlling industrial disasters, to prevent the pollution produced by industrial processes or human negligence, and to make people and industries aware about the importance of pollution control acts. Some other big tragedies in the history of the world are the 3 Mile Island tragedy of the year 1979 of the American nuclear power station. It was the big tragedy of the history which occurred at the nuclear generating station of the 3 Mile Island in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Another big tragedy of the history was the Chernobyl disaster of the year 1986 in Ukraine. The well-functioning or malfunctioning of all the pollution prevention laws and rules are checked by the National Pollution Control Board or the Central Pollution Control Board, which is the governing body in India for the prevention of pollution. It always checks whether the environment-friendly technologies are utilized by all the industries in the right way or not. Maharashtra has its own control board called Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, as it urgently requires the pollution control methods, as it is one of the big states where the rate of industrialization is increasing rapidly. At a time when the national capital is choking, leaving the residents gasping for breath, young kids and old kids suffering from respiratory ailments, Pollution Control Day is a reminder that we all as citizens need to come together and save the planet from increasing rate of pollution. So control pollution and have a healthy life.